Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located in the quiet neighborhood of Seville, St. Anne, and moments away from Prairie Coastline, with its beaches and varied eating options, Villa Lojo provides a perfect opportunity for the shrewd investor interested in long or short-term rentals and or small functions. The main floor has a living room, kitchen, dining room, powder room, and three large air-conditioned rooms, each with an ensuite bathroom. Upstairs is a dream main suite with jetted tub and separate shower, a study or nursery, and a deck with expansive views of the pool deck and Caribbean complete the floor. The pool deck has sweeping views and enough space to cater for small functions. On the ground floor are a studio and one bedroom unit, each with their own small patio. To the rear of the pool, you will find the staff quarters with an eating kitchen, two bedrooms with a shared bathroom. The land area of this villa is approximately 10,890 square feet. Villa Lojo is being sold furnished. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
Just trying to give you something.
The asking price for this villa is US 500,000 or Jamaican $76.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.